So in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why you should upload your courses on Udemy. Coming up. So hello there, my name is Nick Nyxson, and on this channel I will be teaching you how you can make money online through the monetization of your content. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you are there, you can just click the like button as well. So 5 reasons why you should upload your courses on Udemy. So if you don't know what Udemy is the largest online course platform on internet, and it is based on the course by course price basis, meaning that you are paying money for each and every course, and each and every course are priced differently on this platform. So overall, it's a very good platform. If you're willing to study on Udemy, I've compared Udemy with Skillshare in this video right here. You can check it out. If you want to learn it as a student, to use it as a student and to learn different skills, you can check it out in that video right there. And by the way, I have the video about comparing Udemy with Skillshare as for instructors right here as well. And if you want to check it out, that video as well, you can check it out. And without further ado, let me just jump right into it with the 5 reasons why you should teach on Udemy. Reason number 1 for you to teach on Udemy is the amount of students on Udemy. Udemy by far is the largest online learning community in the world, and it has over 40 million students worldwide in practically every country of the world, and it's available for many different languages as well, but still English being the biggest one of them all. 40 million students. How big of a number is it? It's a huge number, and you can utilize this number for your advantage. And comparatively speaking, you can compare the amount of instructors, which is around 60,000 on an entire platform. And imagine 60,000 instructors for 40 million students, and it gives you almost around 700 students per instructor, which is incredibly huge number. And you can utilize this number because the amount of students you can gain by creating moderately good course is incredible. So practically everyone can create more or less a good course for Udemy and gain a huge amount of students right away. The reason number 2 why you should upload on Udemy is the extensive courses. Courses are extensive, and they're very big on Udemy. On Udemy, you have a limitation of minimum of 30 minutes and 5 lectures, I think, if I'm not wrong, of the courses. So meaning that you cannot upload shorter than 30 minutes, which is very big. And for that reason, Udemy has more or less more extensive courses, like few hours or maybe tens of hours. And I've even seen the courses that are hundreds of hours long. So meaning that if you want to go through the subject extensively and be very thorough about what you speak about, Udemy is the choice for you, because you are not basically limited with a small amount of courses, and the most importantly, the students themselves expect the larger courses on Udemy, meaning that if you create the larger courses and if you create your courses are more extensive, then students usually buy those courses more. So you should be very about this, and it is very good thing that Udemy allows you to create these extensive courses, and you should do extensive courses as well. Reason number 3 is the extensive course page, meaning that you are creating very powerful course landing page. So because Udemy is not like Skillshare, like subscription based platform where people just pay the amount of money once and they have access to all the courses available on the platform, Udemy requires to have pretty good landing page, meaning that you need to convert the potential landing page visitors into the students, and for the conversion to happen, they need to pay amount of money. And for that reason, Udemy is giving you far more options in order to create a very good landing page, including what they will learn, including the levels, including more extensive description, including the ability to upload the promo videos, etc., etc. There are a lot of things that you can do on Udemy. Comparatively speaking, I created a video on Skillshare, what you need to do to upload the video on the course on Skillshare, and it is around 10 minutes long, while I created the same video about Udemy right here, and it is more than 30 minutes long, which is incredibly big, 3 times as long as Skillshare, because Skillshare is far more simpler course uploads, and Udemy has far more extensive, and for that reason you have ability to do a lot more things. And this extensivity of uploads and extensivity of the course plays a huge role in the reason number 5 that we're going to talk about this just a bit later. For many beginners, it might sound that Udemy is asking for way too much while you are uploading the course for them, and it requires way too many information that you might not have at first. But Udemy is not the platform that you will need to upload videos and content right away as fast as possible. They're giving you time. You need to be very slow and very thoughtful about uploading courses on Udemy, and for that reason, these things that they're giving to you is far more beneficial to you as an instructor than for them as Udemy, because when you make money, they make money, so they want you to make money first. So you need to think about that and always utilize all the options you have available on Udemy. Number 4, and this is by far, for me at least, the biggest reason why you should upload your courses on Udemy, and this is Marketplace Insights tool. So Udemy is giving you access to few tools, but nothing is as powerful and as good as Marketplace Insights. What Marketplace Insights is a tool inside of Udemy Instructor dashboard that when you get to the Marketplace Insights, you have an option and capability to find out how certain topics are doing on Udemy. That means that you will tap the certain topic and see a lot of different information about this topic, including but not limited to, of course, the amount of students they have, the amount of courses available on Udemy. This is they're giving just a comparative numbers, just low, high, etc., but still it's more than enough. Amount of money that top course is making, amount of money that median course is making, and which traffic sources are generating sales for this course. And plus it has so many things. It has the related courses as well, and etc. The amount of information you can gain through this Marketplace Insights is insane. Plus they just tell you if it is right away, just in the text, they tell you if it is a good course to make or what you need to do in order to bring the course to the top. Like they can tell you that you need to bring your A game to the course. That means that you need to do as best possible course as possible. Or they say that this topic is hot and there is not enough courses for this with a high demand, etc. They're gonna tell you everything you need. And if you will sit down and dig through the Marketplace Insights, I'm 100% sure you'll find an amazing topic for you to create a course about. And this tool, just this tool is making this Udemy far more important and far more powerful than any other course platform. Then you should utilize this tool 100%. Last but not least is reason number 5, and it is relatively simple SEO. So if you don't know what SEO is search engine optimization. Basically that means that you're trying to create the content that it can be easily searchable. As you may know, the Udemy has a search bar like a Google has, like a YouTube has. And in order to make your course searchable, you need to use different keywords, etc. So your course, when people will find your topic, would be as high as possible in a search ranks, because people usually tend to buy the courses and consume any content that is higher up in the ranking. And for that reason, Udemy is very good platform, because it is relatively easy to search high on the platform. It's relatively easy. It's not very simple that everyone can do right away, but if you fill out every single graph that you have in a landing page, I don't know what they will learn, the topics, etc., etc., the extensive description with the keywords that you want for your course to be found, there is relatively high chance that your course will be on the top. Even if you have 0 students and if you have 0 ratings, you have ratings, and especially the good ratings, even the bad ratings, your course will be high up above in a search ratings. Plus, you're going to need to have a good watch time when people will purchase this course. But usually if they will purchase the course that has no students and has a really bad ratings or even has no ratings, they usually tend to watch this. So this is not a big problem for you. So it's very easy to rank high in the search engine. We're gonna make videos about this one as well, of course, in the future, and I'm gonna teach you how you can rank higher in the SEO in the search engine. And this tool just gives you an ability to sell courses from early on. Like, I'm not telling that you're gonna get, because you optimize your search engine right away, you're gonna take a lot of different sales, a lot of different money, but still you have a good ability to gain quite a good amount of money with just simple search engine optimization. There's one more reason, like kind of like a bonus reason, that I didn't think that was as important as those 5, but there is a bonus reason why you should use Udemy for yourself. It is the promotions. You have an ability to make the promotions. You have different abilities. You can have free promotions, you can have a fixed price promotions, you can have a best price promotions, etc., etc., and you can promote your other courses to your existing students, or etc., etc. You have an ability even to create your free courses. There are a lot of things that Udemy can do with the promotions. Plus, you need to understand that promotions is good for you because you are getting far a larger cut when you're promoting courses for yourself. And by the way, you're on the revenue split share. You can watch the video right here, which is very important to know before you will get to Udemy. And plus, we're gonna talk about this and about other things in the negative sides as well. So be mindful of that. So again, Udemy is amazing platform to upload your courses on, but Udemy has, of course, its own downsides, and we are going to talk about this in the next video. So if you don't want to miss this, consider subscribing, or just subscribe right away if you don't want to miss this video right away, and just click the notification bell as well if you don't want to miss this video, or watch this video as soon as possible. So this was it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want more videos like this one, and drop a comment. Ask me if you want to know some certain things about Udemy, or maybe you have some other opinions than I do. I am open for the discussion in the comments down below. Thank you again for being here with me, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.